If you have ever wanted to use Snapchat on your computer or laptop, or if you are looking for an easy way to install it on your computer, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Snapchat on your computer or laptop step by step in a very simple way that anyone can follow. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and open Microsoft Store. If it's not appearing here, you're just gonna type it in here, then click on Search. Once you open Microsoft Store, go to the search bar and type in Snapchat. Here, you're gonna click on Search. And Snapchat is supposed to be appearing here as the first application. You're just gonna click on it, then you're gonna click on Get. This is going to be for free. You don't have to pay anything. You're gonna wait for a few seconds until it's downloaded to your computer or laptop. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.